Is it safe and healthy to eat the seed of an avocado? Avocado is a popular fruit that is used in many dishes around the world. The avocado is known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. The fruit is also packed with nutrients, making it a healthy addition to any diet. While most people eat the flesh of the avocado, some are curious about the safety and health benefits of consuming the seed of the fruit. In this video, we will explore whether it is safe and healthy to eat the seed of an avocado. We will examine the nutritional benefits of avocado seeds, potential risks of consuming them, and how to prepare and eat them. What are avocado seeds? The seed of an avocado is the large, round, and hard inner part of the fruit. It is located at the center of the fruit, surrounded by creamy flesh. The seed is usually discarded when preparing the fruit for consumption. Avocado seeds are rich in nutrients such as antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. The seed also contains amino acids, minerals, and vitamins. Nutritional benefits of avocado seeds. Avocado seeds are a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for protecting the body against free radicals, which can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases. The antioxidant properties of avocado seeds are due to their high content of polyphenol, flavonoids, and tannins. Avocado seeds also contain high levels of dietary fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining digestive health and preventing constipation. The high fiber content of avocado seeds can help regulate bowel movements and promote healthy digestion. The healthy fats found in avocado seeds are monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are known to reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, and improve brain function. Avocado seeds are also a good source of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are important for maintaining bone health, regulating blood pressure, and supporting nerve and muscle function. Potential risks of consuming avocado seeds. While avocado seeds are packed with nutrients, there are potential risks to consuming them. The first risk is choking. Avocado seeds are hard and can pose a choking hazard, especially for children or people with swallowing difficulties. It is important to ensure that the seed is ground or chopped into small pieces before consuming. The second risk is the presence of natural toxins in the seed. Avocado seeds contain a compound called persin, which is toxic to animals in large amounts. While persin is generally safe for humans in small amounts, consuming large amounts of avocado seeds can cause stomach upset, vomiting, and diarrhea. Another risk is the potential for allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to avocado, and consuming the seed can cause an allergic reaction. How to prepare and eat avocado seeds. Before consuming avocado seeds, it is important to properly prepare them to reduce the risk of choking and to remove any potential toxins. The first step is to remove the seed from the fruit. This can be done by cutting the avocado in half, removing the seed with a spoon, and then peeling the skin off the seed. Once the seed is removed, it can be prepared for consumption. One way to prepare the seed is to dry it in the sun or oven. Once dry, the seed can be ground into a powder using a coffee grinder or food processor. The powder can then be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a nutrient boost. It can also be used as a seasoning for soups or stews. Another way to prepare avocado seeds is to chop them into small pieces and add them to salads or sandwiches. It is important to chop the seed into small pieces to reduce the risk of choking. Conclusion. In conclusion, avocado seeds are a rich source of nutrients and can provide many health benefits. However, there are potential risks to consuming them, including the risk eating the seed of an avocado can be safe and healthy if it is prepared properly and consumed in moderation. The seed is packed with nutrients such as antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. However, there are potential risks to consuming avocado seeds, including the risk of choking, the presence of natural toxins, and the potential for allergic reactions. To reduce the risk of choking, it is important to grind or chop the seed into small pieces before consuming. To remove any potential toxins, it is recommended to dry the seed in the sun or oven and then grind it into a powder. It is important to consume avocado seeds in moderation and to listen to your body to determine if they are right for you. Overall, while avocado seeds can provide many health benefits, it is important to exercise caution when consuming them and to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.